Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN DEEPAK YouTube channel and I am Deepak from UDAAN DEEPAK Academy, Hubballi. So let us now move on to what discussion of most important. So yes, fast we will be solving up the papers. So fast agi. Yes, now let us move on to discussion of most important. I hope the paper has went very easy today because all the questions which I have discussed, 90% of the questions have appeared same, but the paper was moderate to difficult. It was not much easy. Nearly 60 marks you can score. Kanna muchi 60 marks inti ellaru tagotiri. Last 20 marks questions for 3 marks alli aitu, 4 marks alli aitu, they were bit difficult and lengthy also. Okay, so not wasting much time, then I am fast agi because I have only 1 hour to solve. After that I have other commitments, so not wasting much time. Let us now begin on to the discussion of the paper. So fast agi ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Hello, yes, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಅನುಜ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಅನುಜ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ನೈಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ನವಾಜ್, ಭುವನ್ ಬಣಗಾರ್, ಹೆಲೋ. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೈತಿ ಪೆನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಏನೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. English, Kannada, Hindi they made easy, but when it comes to math, science, social, they are making it very difficult. Okay, so you will notice state level preparatory examination third mathematics today, that is 24th of February 2026 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಇದು. So you can see the answer. The first one, I hope everyone have managed to write the answer. The prime factors of 30. So 30 is prime factor ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. 2 15s are 3 5s are 5 1s are. So the answer is what? 2 5 3. So I hope everyone first one ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ. I scored 80. ದೇವೇಂದ್ರ ಕುಂಬಾರ್, very good dear. ಹಿಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, first one answer 3 marks. areas that to circle very tough. It was very easy dear. ಅಷ್ಟ ಟಫ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. So ಹೇಳಿ yes fast ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿ ಬಂತು. ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸ್ನೇಹ ಕಟವಟಿ, ಭುವನ್ ಬಣಗಾರ್, ಅಮೃತ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. if the lines represented by the pair of linear equations are intersecting, you know intersecting lines means what? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. I hope second one is b. very good. second one ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಿ. so second one a for right answer, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. you can just see the answer on screen. Now question number 3 ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP with the first term a and nth term l is, you know, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Yes, so the I hope ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ ಬರ್ದಿರಿ. yes sir, 8th one I will be doing after this 8th one only dear. question number 3 is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. then the standard form of QV. yesterday only we have solved the similar question. Prefix ಬಂದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದು. so you take all on left side, 5x squared minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. so the right answer is what? 5x squared minus 4x plus 5, option C. Yes, C for correct answer. Nitin. Then yes, dear. Yes, very good. Difficult. Rupa is telling difficult. No, dear, it is moderate to difficult paper. Then the value of sin. Sin 30 is half. Cos 30 is half. Half plus half is full. So question number 5 is D. So LR D bartiranthe. Yes, very good. D. Excellent here. Then coming to the next set of question. Fast agi. In 1 hour I need to finish entire new pata answer helkonta ಹೋಗಬೇಕು dear. Next noting the formula to find volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3. Pi r cube is nothing but what? Volume of sphere. That is the formula to find volume of sphere. Then the sum of zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to product of its zeros. Then k ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, sum is equal to product. Then sum is what? Minus b by a. Product is what? C by a. A get cancel, minus b equal to c. So yes, ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇದು b. This is a. A is equal to k. B is equal to c. C is equal to 3k. A k ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. B ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ plus 2 ಬರೀರಿ. C ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 3k ಬರೀರಿ. Minus 2 is equal to c is 3k. This 3 will come down. Minus 2 by 3 is k. So k is minus 2 by 3. The right answer is option D. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರೂ option D ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಿ. Yes, 8th one I am doing here. Next question is option 8th only. So in the figure ABCD is a parallelogram. In the figure, what is that? ABCD is a parallelogram. Then E is point on BC. AE, LA3, AE is here. AE and DC. Okay, AE and DC are produced. You have to check here meet at F. Then the correct correlation is. Now you take what? This triangle over E triangle and E triangle. You prove that these two triangles are similar. You will get the answer. So fast agile nodri. In triangle ADF and triangle ABE. So you can just see here angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. Why? Opposite angles of what? Parallelogram. Then this angle F is equal to angle A. Angle F is equal to angle A. Alternate angles. So alternate ALK angles. Therefore they are similar. I draw them separately. So you know D equal to D is equal to B. Angle D, angle B is equal to angle F equal to angle A. You add equal adav. Then here A will come. ADF, ADF, ABE, ABE. Now write them corresponding. Corresponding bari AB by DF or FD. AB by FD is equal to you can write right side BE by AD. Then AE by FA baribodu, but this is the final answer. You will get option as B. AB by FD is equal to BE by AD, which is equal to ನಿಮ್ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ AE by FA ನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ D is the right one. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಯಿತು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ B ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಬಂತು. Yes, those who have done B, only B answer is the right one. Okay, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ B ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, so coming to the next set of question. Then write the degree of cubic polynomial. Degree of cubic polynomial is 3. What is the perpendicular distance? Here note, suppose 2, 5 indicate tilkori. X is 2, y is 5. So y 5 is here, x 2 is here. Point is this is 2, 5. Now they said perpendicular distance A from y exists. So y in the ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು. So y in the sorry. Okay, y in the ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಐತೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ from y axis. So this is y axis, this is x axis. This point E is what is the distance? It is 2 units. The right answer is what? 2 units, because y axis is this. The distance of point from y axis is 2 units. What is the perpendicular distance of point A? This is point A from y axis. It is how much? 2 units. So the answer is what? 2 units. Units ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ word use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, because they have used the word there. Then what is the sum of probabilities of elementary events of an exam is 1. O N 1 ಅಥವಾ 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Okay, Sir, I am from 2025. Satish, hello dear. Next question answer here is write the two conditions for similarity of polygon with the same number of sides. See, same number of sides means what? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles, ಈ word ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. So half marks for this, and corresponding sides are in proportion, or you can write what? Same ratio or same ratio. If you write proportion or same ratio, both are correct. See, the two conditions are, first condition is corresponding angles are equal, angles corresponding what, and corresponding sides are in proportion or in the same ratio. Okay, 3 mark questions bada tricky to dear, I agree. So ellaru ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಗೂಗಲ್ AI ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ನೋಡಿ ಸೃಜಾನ್, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಜೆಮಿನೈ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಗೂಗಲ್ AI ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿಪಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ AI ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ AI ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೃಜಾನ್, ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಜಿಮಿನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿಪಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಬೇರೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ only dear. Okay, ನಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೀನಿ. Then how many solutions is the pair of linear equation? ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು a1 by a2, a1 is 2, this is 2, 2 by 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 1. Then b1 by b2 ಬಂತು. b1 is how much? -5, 1. So -5 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So intersecting line, unique solution or only one solution. If you write unique or only one solution. Nitin is asking Kannada, in the unique I will be coming here. Then next question, if nth term of an AP, then find the third term. This is a very easy direct question has come. So ellaru na tilkotin. Yes, pata video na like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮತ್ತು subscribe ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. Okay, then third term, an is equal to 5 plus 3, a3 is equal to 5 plus 3, 15 plus 3 is 18. So answer is 18. Find median of the data whose mode. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, there is a formula. What is the formula? 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So ನಮಗೆ median ಕಂಡಿಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. 3 median is equal to mode is 13 plus 2 into 10. So 13 plus 20 is 33. So 3 median. So this 3 will come down. So median S1 theory, median S1 2. 2 ones are 2, 11s. I got it as 11. ನಿಮಗೆ S1 ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Very good. Akul got the right answer. Chetan got the right answer. So ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Then find the volume of cube. So volume of cube is what? Side cube. That is 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. So 216 centimeter cube. So volume of cube is what? 216 centimeter cube. Then prove that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Everyone, I think in your school how they have taught, ನೀವು directly ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. Let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is an rational number. So in the form of p by q, rational is not equal to irrational number. Therefore our assumption is wrong. So ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಪಟ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Yes, so I think you people have done it thoroughly. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿ if you are not following this. So let me know in the comment section. Yes, fast Kannada in the evening I'll come. Girija, MP Saline, then Akul is there. Hello. Then this one I think you have done 17, 18 and I'll move now. Here notice, simply add this. 5x is equal to 20. 5 ones are 5 4s are 20. X is equal to 4. Substitute x is equal to 4 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? 3x plus y is 15. 3x, x you know already 4 plus y equal to 15. 12 plus y is 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 12. y is 3. So answer H1 would be 4 and 3. So yes, Elagu 4 and 3 banta. Only Mega got the right answer. MP Saline has got the right answer. Very good dear. Yes, fast again next sum kade hogona Nitin. Then find the sum of first 10 terms of an AP. ಮೊದಲನೇ 10 ಪದಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕುಡ್ ಡು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ನೋಡಿ, a is 7, b is 13 minus 7, so it is 6. Okay, so 6 bantu, so yes 10 is equal to, yes n is 10 because sum of 10 terms ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So yes n is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes 10 is equal to 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1, d is 6. 2 1s are 2, 5s are 7, 2s are 14, 9 into 6, 9 6 are how much? 54. So how much is the answer? 5 into 68, 8 5s are 40, 6 5s are 30, 340, then 340 ಬಂತು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, so yes but today's sum I got 340. Yes 340 answer is correct. Mega end 380 ಬರಕತ್ತಿ. 8 5s are 40, 6 5s are 30, 30 340 ನ ಬಂತು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ 340 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ find which term of an AP. A is how much? 2. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, this is 2, 7, 12, 47. This is last term. A and is 47 and D is how much? 7 minus 2, it is 5. What is AN formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is 47, A is 2, n minus, which term they are asking. So directly I'll do what? D number 3, D is 5, multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 47 is equal to 2 plus 5 and minus 5, 47 minus 2 plus 5. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. So 5 ones are 5 10s are 50. So I got n is equal to 10. n 10 ben 10 ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಂಗೆ n 10 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So I hope ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ. I am doing fast only dear. So ನೀವು fast ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Already 19 sum over. Now question number 20. Yes. So question number 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು sum ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. In the figure, so they have given the figure ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. AB is equal to AC ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. given is AB is equal to AC. A circle is center O inscribed in the circle and it touches the sides. So you can see AB at D, BC at E and AC at F respectively. Prove that E bisects. So to prove what? To prove BC bisects in heading E bisects BC. That means bisect means exactly half. Bisect means what? Bi means 2. Sect means cut. It is cutting into exactly 2. That means BE is equal to EC and prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now how to prove this? First ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ AB is equal to AC. AB I can write it as AD plus BD is equal to, I can write it as AF plus FC. AF plus FC. Now you know that AD is equal to AF. Why? Theorem 2. Why? Lengths of a tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Lengths are equal. Theorem 10.2. Theorem 10.2 ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? Lengths of a, that means AD and AF are equal means I can cancel them. Remaining is what? BD is equal to FC. Now I can write BD is equal to what? B. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Why? BD is equal to BE. Same thing. Lengths of tangent and FC is equal to EC. Why? Again theorem 10.2. Lengths of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Therefore, since BE is equal to EC, E bisects what? BC. So like this 2 marks you should write. You should mention the name of theorem. Okay, it was very easy. Direct question will come like this. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. If you are finding this session helpful, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಏನೈತಿ thumbs up ಹಾಕಿ in the comment section so that I can get to know that you people are connecting. Okay, now coming to question number 21. As we have discussed same question yesterday, 21 in the find the roots of QB. Roots and ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ x square plus 8x plus 15. So multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 5x 15x square 5 3s are ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So what is common? X is common, 3 is common. So x plus 5, x plus 3 equal to 0. This is 0 or that is 0. X plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 5 or minus 3. So yes, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂತಾ? yes ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ವಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. For this roots we got minus 5 and minus 3. I hope yes Nikhil got the right answer. Others let me know the answer in the comment section. Yes, thank you. Kannada Nawaz I will be doing the evening. This only will take little bit very easy and little difficult. Very good dear. Next, this discriminant same thing only we have done yesterday. A is 2, B is minus 6, C is 3. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. B is minus 6 square minus 4ac. A is 2, C is 3. 6 square 36, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So we got it as 12 greater than 0. Roots are real and roots real and distinct and brother. You will get what? Full mark. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. yes Kirtana, hi Kirtana. Rai Galaxy, what bro? One question. Maximum questions have come here. Whatever we thought is discriminant, everything has come. Yes, MP Silent got the right answer. Meme Masala got the right answer. Yes, Jani, surface area to Madi. How to dear? I need to prove that. Okay. Next question, question number 22. In the given figure, find the values of sin alpha and cos alpha. See, sin alpha is what? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos alpha is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Alpha the opposite. Opposite of alpha is 24. This is hypotenuse. Opposite of alpha is opposite and this is adjacent. So 24 by 25 and 7 by 25. So the right answer is 24 by 25 and 7 by 25. Yes, Gayatri, yes I got, yes Hubbadi, love dear, thank you so much. Ellaru best ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, dinner ಇಲ್ಲ dear. Ballari, thank you so much. Next is question number, yes, question number 23. ಈಗ ಮುಗಿಯಾಕ ಬಂತು 2 mark, then directly we'll move to what? 3 mark questions. Find the distance between the point. What is distance formula? D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. yes ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. x2 1 square minus 5 sorry 1 minus 5 the whole square plus minus 3 minus or minus 7 the whole square minus 4 square plus minus 7 it is 16 plus 4 square 16 plus 16 it is root 32. Root 32 is how much? 16 2s are 32. 4 root 2 units. So I got it as how much? 4 root 2 units. So now next month theory root 32 dear. So fast agi Shami, let me know the answer dear. Root 32 units ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. 4 root yes Answer is 4 root 2 is the right answer. See, this one is also correct answer, but this is the complete answer. Units ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Yes, root 4. Yes, Raja got the right answer. I wrote only root 32 Ravi Talwa. Even though you will get what maximum. Yes, same answer only. You got the right answer here. Hinga example in you ellaru did is beku. A big heart to everyone. Thank you. Then two students A and B are preparing rose garlands by using 24 and 60 roses respectively for each garland. After making few garlands, the number of flowers used by them are equal. Find the least number of roses. Least means what? You should find LCM equally used by them to make the garland and find how many such garlands have been prepared by them. So what is the answer? Saat Kumbari, I am going right here. See here only. Least means 24 and 60. You should find what? Yes, we should find HCF or LCM fast agi heli. Yeah, yes, we should take LCM. Yes, here we should find what LCM only. So 24 is 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1s are. So we should find what? Find the least number of roses equally used by them anteli kelidare. So you should use LCM here and 60. How much it is? 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 5 3s are, 3 1s are. So how much will you use? 24 is equal to 2 cube into 3. 60 is equal to how much? 2 square into 5 into 3. So LCM is how much? LCM is equal to what is common? 2 3. So 2 cube into 3 into 5. How much it is? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 3 into 5. 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. So answer is 120. Then least number of roses equally used by them is 120. Find how many such garlands have been prepared by them. ಎಷ್ಟು garlands ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 120 by 24 ಮಾಡಿ. So find how many such garlands have been prepared by them. So you should use 25 ones of 5s are here. A has used. So A has used 5 garlands. Then B have ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. B is 60 by 24. So sorry. 120 is the LCM, right? 120 by 60. 6 1s are 6 2s are. So he has used 2 garlands. So total are 7 garlands they will make. So total 7 garlands they will make. So that is the answer. So find how many such garlands. A will use 120 by 24 5 garlands. B will make 120 by 62 garlands. Total are 7 garlands. So I hope A is 5, B is 2, total 7. Okay. So I hope you all are understanding how we got the answer. Then yesterday direct question we have studied. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial x square minus 4x plus, then verify the relation. See, x square minus 4x plus 3. If you solve this, x square minus 3x minus x 1x plus 3 equal to 0. X take common, x minus 3 minus 1 take common, x minus 3, x minus 3 and x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3 or x is equal to plus 1. So alpha is 3 and beta is 1. So sum alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha is 3, beta is 1, minus a is b is minus or minus 4 by 1. 4 is equal to 4. LHS is equal to RHS. Then product is equal to alpha into beta c by a. That is 3 into 1. C is how much? 3. So 3 by 1, 3 equal to 3. 4 and 3 we got the answer. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಯಾಕತೈತಿ. Yes, so 4 and 3 we will get the UID. Yes, sir got 12 because I found HCF. ಇಲ್ಲ here HCF ಅಲ್ಲ least ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. Least means what? You should find the LCM only here. You should not find HCF. Okay. So I hope Alak you got the answer. 4 and 3 you will get what? This one. Then the next one is write the quadratic polynomial. Okay, we should find same thing when we have discussed. So sum particular sum is alpha plus beta minus 3 product alpha into beta 2. So यहाँ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta x square minus minus 3x plus 2 x square plus 3x plus 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. You should find zeros. X square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 x square. So 2x plus 1x plus so when you solve x plus 2 x plus 1 equal to 0 x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 1. I hope you know how to simplify. Direct answer we got. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಯಾಕತ್ತೈತಿ. Direct answer only we got. So fast ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನೈತಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು yes ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Next, moving to the next question. Yes, ages of age of person A is 26 more than the person B. Okay, so fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. See, age of person A is 26 more than question number 26. Directly we will do the age of person A is 26 more than person B. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. Similar question we got already. You ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ. Yes, similar question exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Okay, so you got correct. Excellent here. See, I will be solving this. Age of person is 26 more than person B. So let the age of B be x years. Now A is what? A is 26 more than B. That means 26 more than B is x. Then 3 years from now. 3 years from now means what? ಈಗಿಂದ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 26 plus x plus 3. So 29 plus x A ಬಂತು and B will become what? X into x plus 3. Then they said product will be 360. You need to multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x plus ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. A is 29 plus x into x plus 3 will give you how much? 360. Product they said it will be 360. Now calculate ಮಾಡಿ. 29 into x is 29x into 87 plus x square plus 3x is equal to 360. Now tell me how much it is. X square plus 29x 29 plus 3 29 30 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. X square plus 32x. This will be minus. So how much will you get? Fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. It is 273 minus 273 equal to 0. You should split this. Minus 273 x square you should split. So you will get 39 sevens are 39 sevens are plus 39 minus 7 you will get. So you will get how much? 39 sevens are. So 39 minus 7 is 32. X square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 equal to 0. Common is x. X plus 39 7 x plus 39 equal to 0. So x plus 39 it is x minus 7 equal to 0. Either this is 0 or that is 0. X is equal to minus 39 or x is equal to plus 7. This is rejected. Why? Because age cannot be negative. Therefore, age of B is how much? X. So E 7 ವರ್ಷ ಮಗುವನ್ನ B and age of A is how much? 26 plus x. Age of A is 26 plus x. 26 plus 7. 33 years. 7 and 33. Yes. Name same answer. Banta. Let me know same answer you got. 30, 39 and 7. Very good. 8th one is B dear illa. Sureka illa ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಜಿಪಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಜಿಮಿನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಸರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ Rushik. Hi Rushik, nice to see you online. A is 33. Rani was the right answer. Very good Rani. A is 33 and B is 7. So B is A is 33, B is 33, 7 1 bidto. So now we will move on to the next question. See, if the sum of squares of two consecutive positive odd numbers, odd integers is 290. Sum of squares ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let the consecutive odd integers ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, odd integers x and x plus 2. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು x and x plus 1 ತಗೋತಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಐತಿ x and x plus 2. ಅಲಗ್ ಗಾಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಯರ್, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 290 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 290. ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ x plus x plus 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ you will get 290. So x square plus a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is 290. Okay, so 2x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 290. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2x square plus 4x minus 4 minus plus 4 290 equal to 0. It is 286. 2x square plus 4x minus 286 equal to 0. 2 le divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, if you divide everything by 2 you will get the answer. So yes, ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ, 2 le divide ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 to get cancel, 2 ones are 2 3s are 1 4 3. So x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. So multiply ಮಾಡಿ 143 x minus 143 x square. So which table will give you minus 143? So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗೂ. So 13 11s are. So you will get it as 13 11. It is plus, it is minus. So x square plus 13 11s are 143. So x take common, x plus 13 minus 11 take common, x plus 13. So x plus 13 and x minus 11 equal to 0. Either this is 0 or that is 0. We will change the sign. X is equal to minus 13 or x is equal to 11. So they said positive, so this is rejected. Therefore x is 11. So 11 is what, those two integers they said. Therefore x is 11 and x plus 2 is 13. 11 plus 2 is 13. The two integers are 11 and 13. Sum of whose squares will give you how much? 290. Then this is there in model question paper. The next one, ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is there in model question paper 1. ABC, BAC is what? 90 degree. This is 90. AD is perpendicular to BC. Show that AB square is equal to BD. So first take this triangle ABC, but malin triangle to this triangle you take. So how will you take? In triangle. So fast in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in triangle ABC and in triangle ABD. So I'll draw them separately. Okay, ನೋಡಿಲಿ in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A and angle D are 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. Why? It is given. Then this angle, dotted triangle ದಾಗ and sun triangle ದಾಗ ಏನೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, angle B is equal to angle B. Why angle B is equal to angle B? Common. Now what will remain? A B C will remain. A B D will remain. Now therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD. Why? Angle criteria. Angle criteria. Now write them separately. AB by BD is equal to BC by AB. Now send this here. Male ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದು y CP ST corresponding parts of similar triangles. So like you should write what corresponding parts of similar triangle. It is AB square is equal to BC into BD. Hence proved. So like this I think first 100k, thank you dear. So yes sir, I'll get more than 65. Excellent dear. Morning class Manoj Huli, definitely dear. If I reach 100k morning pakka ತಗೋತೇನೆ dear. So ನಿಮಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಐತಿ. Okay, so like this you should able to solve this one. So I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿತು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಡೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ನಡೆ. Next, sin A is equal to this one. LHS you take sin A by cot is what? Cos A by sin A plus cos A will come here 1 minus tan is sin A by cos A. Now take LCM. So here sin A will come, here 1 will come, here cos A will come, here 1 will come. So it is sin A divided by sin A minus cos A by sin A plus cos A divided by cos A minus sin A divided by cos A. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ತಗೋರಿ, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. sin square A divided by sin A minus cos A plus cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A. Now in the ನೋಡಿ twist either swap ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and if you swap this will change its sign. So ನೀವು swap ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀರಿ sign change ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sin square A minus cos square A, what will happen here? This one is same as it is. This one you should swap sin A minus cos A. So ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, if you swap this, ಇದು ಯಾರು swap ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin change ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Now common is what? 1 divided by sin A minus cos A. So this is common. Now remaining is sin square A minus cos square A. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ LCM ಐತಿ. So you can take directly the denominator is same, sin A minus cos A we got, then sin square A minus cos square A. Now you can see A square minus B square. So A square minus B square ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? A plus B and A minus B you will do. So A plus B sin A plus cos A, A plus B and sin A minus cos A, A minus B divided by sin A minus cos A ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. This one will get cancelled. So sin A plus cos A is equal to that is equal to RHS. So we got the answer and we got to prove this. Ball easy sum ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು and second one was direct question. Okay, I will be coming at 7 here to solve what? Kannada. Sir, maths is too difficult for me. Rushik, no dear sir, teach probability. After this we will get probability only dear. So next question nodi illi. I hope this one is from textbook only. Sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square, A plus B the whole square madri. So you will get the answer. If you want I can solve it or directly I can move to the answer. So this one in the note I just do it 1 second. Sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec A the whole square. So A plus B the whole square madri. A square plus 2AB plus B square till A plus B the whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, now here ನೋಡಿ sin square theta plus cos square theta you add to 1 ಆಗ್ತಾವು. 2 sin A, this cosec A is I can write it as sin A, then cosec square A plus 2 cos A, sec A I can write it as 1 upon cos A, this sec square A, this cos sin get cancel, 1 plus 2 plus cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square A plus 2. Sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Remember that the sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. So 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. So that one we got. Then RHS mode. So mode hack solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ 9. So L is 20, H is 10, 1, 0, 2. Okay. So ನನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಬಂತು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. So mode yesterday when we solved L plus 1, 0, 1, 0, 2 into H. L is 20, 1 is 9 minus 3, 2 into 9 minus 3 minus 6 into H. So 20 plus 9 minus 3. So how much will you get? 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 2s are 18. I'll write it directly. 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 minus 6. You will get how much? 15 minus 6 is 9. You will get how much? It is 9. Total you will get 9 into 10. So 3 3s are 3 2s are 3 3s are. So how much? 20 plus 20 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 6 6 6. 20 plus 6.6666. You will get what? 26.666 or 67 also you can write. That is the answer directly. You can. Yes, very good. Amruta got something very good. Rani got the right answer. Very good here. Then if you solve median, so median solve madidra how much will you get? So if you are very thorough with median, you will get 44.445. So I have solved this, but new answer solve made. I don't have much time. It's already 4. I need to solve up remaining question. Mode is 26. Median is 44.444. Then I will be moving to the different set of questions now. Prove that length of a tangent. So theorem 10.2. So ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ the length of a tangent is drawn from external point to circle. Yesterday I said circle theorem 2 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So lengths of a tangent is drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Same dicto question has come. So ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಪದ್ಧಶ್ರೀ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. I request those who are watching everyone to kindly register for the UDAAN scholarship test. The link has been provided in the description box below in order to avail the scholarship benefits. It is on the 5th of April 2026. Time is 10 a.m. and I request everyone to kindly inform your juniors those are 9th standard to enroll for UDAAN summer vacation camp for 2 months for upcoming 10th standard student. So entire syllabus will be covered in 2 months. All the set of books will be given. Okay, so make sure that you inform. Any doubt you can just call up to the given number on the screen here. So yes, fast agi next sum kade hogona. Sir, can we prove 31 question by m1 is to m2? That is the right answer here. So fast agi nan sir, I am from Chikkodi. Ajit, very good Ajit. Very nice to see you. Most of you online. Yes, fast agi ಏನೈತಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ if you are finding this helpful ಎಲ್ಲ thumbs up ಹಾಕಿ. Coming to question number 31, 30 I think you know the theorem, you can prove by yourself. 31 I will move A 4, 6 and B 2, -2 and C. So A B C ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ are the vertices of a triangle CP and BQ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ are medians. Medians means what? Exactly middle point. ಅವು ಯಾರು middle point ಅದಾವು of triangle ABC intersecting at point G ಇಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಆಗತೈತಿ. As shown, prove that G is a midpoint. Trisection. Trisection means what? You should prove the ratio m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 1. So you should prove the ratio 2 is to 1. So to prove is what? To prove, we need to prove this G is a trisection. So trisection means what? 2 is to 1. We need to prove ratio m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 1. First P considering P is midpoint. So if P is midpoint, then what is P? Midpoint of what? AB. So midpoint formula is, so P is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now x1 is 4. 4 plus 2 by 2. 6 minus 2 by 2. So 6 by 2. 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are 2, 2s are, it is 3 comma 2. So we got it as 3 comma 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 3 comma 2 ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ justify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 4 plus 2 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. Now CP we should find what section. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Now for second. Now use section formula. Find. Let the ratio be k is to 1. So ratio if the ratio is 2 is to 1, then it is correct. So I am good in maths and social too, but one sentence is little confusion. Amruta, very easy question here. Then what is section formula? P of x comma y. Andra nan patbitidare g here. Centroid g of x comma y is mx plus mx divided by m1 plus m2. 1 2 2 1. Then my divided by m1 plus m2. So you should write 1 2 2 1. m1 is k 1 k plus 1. k 1 you should write what? K plus 1. So x2 is take nodi. x2 is 3. x1 is 6. y2 is 2. y1 is 5. So this is 4 comma 3. So here 4 comma 3. So 3k plus 6 by k plus 1, or 2k plus 5 divided by k plus 1. Now this first term should equal to this, and the total answer should get what? You should get 2 is to 1. So 4 is equal to 3k plus 6 by k plus 1 multiply. 4 into k plus 1 is equal to 3k plus 6. Then 4k plus 4 is equal to 3k plus 6. Then send this here. 4k minus 3k is equal to 6 minus 4. K is equal to 2. Therefore ratio is 2 is to 1. Therefore G is trisection. So number gottagbittu G is trisection of median CP. So this is how you should prove. You should find ratio and you should prove. Yes, I hope nothing here. I am just learning LBA and my teacher gave important PDF, very good. But LBA into any other method for this question? Yes, here there is one more method to find. Now you take ilagre yen madri other method. I will tell the other method. See, other method is to solve this is you take assume madri m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 1. Then if you solve, you should get 4 comma 3. For example, see here, this is m1 is to m2. Now p of x comma y, you should find m1 x2. So you take 2 1 2 plus 1 2 1 2 plus 1. Now ratio x2 just take nodri x2 x1 y2 y1. This is other method. 6 plus 6 by 3, 4 plus 5 by 3. So 6 plus 6 is 12 by 3, 9 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 4s are 3 3s are. So you got 4 comma 3 here. See, this 4 comma 3 will match with this G 4 comma 3. If you are matching, then also you will get 3 mark. Both methods you can follow. So first method is you can do what? Use section formula, find ratio 2 is to 1, or assume the ratio 2 is to 1 and prove that this G is nothing but matching with the answer. Both are correct. So I hope everyone are connecting. Yenna doubt ittu comment section alli hakodanna maribadi. Yes, very easy sum it is. Sir, I did fully different this sum in exam. So yes, I hope ellargu tilakatiti. Yes, 31 wrong, sir. Yen wrong agilla here ella correct aiti. 2 methods I have done. So ellaru new exam alli wrong madira. Haudu. This question direct has come and most difficult CBSE ಕಿಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರಿ. ಇನ್ನು CBSE ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಹಳ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಐತಿ. ಲವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಸರ್, ಲವ್ ಯು ಡಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Yes, next is areas related to circles. So fast agi next sum kare barona. So fast agi ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು how is to solve this. Okay, so ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿ. So yes, we got the answer. Next one we will be yes. Next sum nodri illi in the figure KLM. So in KLM this, sorry, yes, here. See in the figure this KLM, this arc and PQR, this arc, okay, are the arcs of concentric circle with center O. This is 45 and this total is 90 degree. The ratio of arcs is they have given ratio of lengths. Okay, so they have given what ratio of length of KLM, length. So that means length KLM divided by length PQR. So they are given 4:1. You know length is what? Theta by 360, 2 pi r is the length of the arc. So how will you find this? Theta by 360, 2 pi r. I'll take this as r1 radius and this one. So this radius, bigger radius, I'll take it as r1 and smaller radius, I'll take it as r2. Okay, so r1, so KLM, where is KLM? KLM, I have taken it as r1 and theta by 360, 2 pi r2 is equal to 4 by 1, 4:1. So 360 get cancelled, 2 pi, theta are different. KLM, the theta is how much? 90 degree, 90 r1 divided by this, see this is 90. Okay, this theta PQR theta is 45 r2. Here 45 remain r2 which is equal to 4 by 1. 45 ones are 45 twos are. So how much it is? Yes, one totally 2 r1 is equal to r1 by r2 is equal to 4. r1 by r2 is equal to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. r1 by r2 is equal to 2 by 1. The ratio is 2:1. Find the ratio of radius of arc of PQR. How it kelidare? Ratio of PQR. Therefore radii of PQR in particularly r2. Therefore r2 by r1 is equal to 1 by 2. Ulta is your answer. R2 by r1, because I have taken r2 is radius of PQR. See here, radius of PQR by KLM, that is r2 by r1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. r2 is to r1 equal to 1:2. So this is the A. Now B ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? If OM is equal to 7, OM is 7 cm, that means r1 is 7. So r1 number ಐತಿ, r1 by r2 is equal to 2 by 1. r1 is 7 by r2 is equal to 2. r2 is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. I can write it as 3.5. Area of sector, so we should find area of this sector. So what is area of sector formula? Fast agi heli. So area of sector is theta by 360 pi r square. This theta is 45 by 360 pi is 22 by 7. r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 11s are 1s are 8s are. 11 into 7, 8 into 2. 77 by 16 centimeter square. So this is the final answer. 16 6 are 96, agangilla 64s are 64. So 4.81 centimeter square. So nearly 4.8 8125 centimeter square you will get. If you want precise, you will get 8 centimeter square is the answer. Of 77 by 16 bardu 3 mark banbidtiti. So this one and this one simple question has been given. Got to know who is this all zone? Yes, Prakash. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಾಕತ್ತೈತಿ. If you are finding this session helpful, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ thumbs up ಹಾಕಿ in the comment section. Yes sir, they will be giving only for preparatory for hard question. Main exam also you will be getting such question. These are similar to your exam only dear. We need to draw diagram also. Yes dear. Yes, next question. So we will be solving ಎಲ್ಲರೂ probability question ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ sir. How to do this probability question? You people were asking me. So see here, a box contains cards which are numbered 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 cards are drawn at random. So 2-digit number ಬರಬೇಕು. Find probability. So first you should find total. Total ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Total you will get 9. Kannada I will be doing in the evening dear 7 o'clock. Let me finish up. I have only 15 minutes to finish up fast. 33 ಇನ್ನು 5 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅದಾವು because total 38 questions ಮುಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ total 2-digit number ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 2-digit number are so 0 ಲೇ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 10 ಬರಬಹುದು, 20 ಬರಬಹುದು, 30. See 10, 20, 30, 12 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, 13 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. And 12 ಬಂತು, 13 ಬಂತು, 21 ಬಂತು, 31 ಬಂತು, 23 ಬಂತು, 32 ಬಂತು. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total n of s is 9. We got 9. Forming a number divisible by 4 and 3. So first probability of event if 4 and 3 is what? 4 into 3 is 12. So any number divisible by 12 nodri ille 12 divisible by 12 is only 1. So probability of event A is n of A by n of s 1 upon 9. So B, forming a prime number. So prime numbers ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Prime numbers 11, prime numbers 13, 23, 31, 3. So probability of event B, n of B by n of s. So prime numbers are 3. This one is not a prime number. 13, 23, 31, 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3, 3s are 1 upon 3. 3 marks you will get. If you write total 1 mark, this 1 mark and this 1 mark. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. Yes, if you are finding this helpful, put the thumbs up in the comment section so that I can get to know that you people are understanding. So probability some simple ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 32 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 33 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1/9 and 1/3 ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ಯಾರು ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥ ಸಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು ಜನತಾ ಬಜಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. 30 you forward 30. 29. 30 again forward here. 30 is the length of a tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. This is theorem 10.2. It is from textbook. I don't think I need to solve it. You people are aware. You school alli hang kalsidare and bari. Okay, I think purposely I have not solved it. Now coming to next question, that is question number 34. Again the question number 34 I will not be solving because this is Thales theorem. Ella gottaiti. So Thales already I come to the end now. So 4 mark questions ge bandre end aganga adu. If a line is not parallel to one side of a triangle intersect at other 2 points, then the other 2 sides are divided the same ratio. So Thales theorem, if in 2 triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to sides of another triangle, then the corresponding angles are equal. So triple S theorem. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ Thales theorem ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪದಶ್ರೀ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Yes, question number 35. Almost we have come to end now. ಮೂರೇ ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಅದಾವು. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. AP this and surface areas. So this question ಯಾರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Very simple ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಟಫ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಯರ್, ಪೇಪರ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಐ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ರೋಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಪೆಗ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಒಂದು ರೋಪ್ ಐತಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಪೆಗ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ is tied to the top of cone shaped tent. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ರೋಪ್ ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ at an angle of 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Then same got AC. We should find height of tent AB. So you should find first AB ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. AB. So first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, in a triangle ABC, first take ABC. In triangle ABC, what can I take is sin 30 degree, because opposite divided by, so sin 30. What is sin 30? Opposite is AB by AC. AC is what? AC and A3. Hypotenuse. Sin 30 is half. AB we need to find. AC. AC is 8. So in Mali Kalasi Yashwantu sin 30 will sin 60 80. So it is root 3 by 2. So it is 8 root 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So AB batatu, AB is equal to 4 root 3 meter. So first one we got, it is 4 root 3. Idu batatu 4 root 3 meter. Now AB ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತು, base radius of tent. That means I should find. For that you can take cos 60. Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Again in the same triangle, in triangle ABC, I'll take cos 60. Cos 60 is adjacent BC divided by AC. Cos 60 is half BC. Okay. AC ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, AC just 8 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 8 by 2 is BC. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 meter. So BC ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, this is 4 meter. ಎರಡು ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, this one. Now length of rope AD. Where is length of rope AD? Length of rope opposite by hypotenuse sin theta ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So in triangle ABD sin 30. This is sin 30. Opposite is what? AB by hypotenuse is AD. Sin 30 is half. AB ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 4 root 3 AD. Now what can you do next? Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? So half. So AD is equal to 8 root 3 meter. So this one we got it as 8 root 3. ನಮಗೆ ಇದು AD ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 8 root 3 meter. Okay. Then last one I need what? Distance of peg. This one CED ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು, DC ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So in the triangle ABD only you take. In triangle ABD, tan 30 is equal to AB opposite by BD. Tan 30 is root 3, AB 4 root 3, BD we need to find. root 3 cancel ಆಯ್ತು. BD is equal to tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Sorry, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So BD is equal to 4 root 3 into root 3 is 3. It is 12 meter. So BD 12 ಬಂತು. Now BD is 12 means what? BD is 12 means CD is equal to, CD ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, BD minus CD. So 12 BD minus BC ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 12 minus 4 8 meter. So we got CD is equal to 8. So if you find all 4, you will get to how much? Yes, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂತ. ನಾನು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿ. So we got all same. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ AB ಬಂತು 4 root 3, BC ಬಂತು 4 meter, AD ಬಂತು 8 root 3 meter, BD 12, ನಮಗೆ CD ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 8 meter. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕಾ 4 marks. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. 4 marks fix ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 36 is AP ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. So see the sum of first 6 terms of an AP. ಮೊದಲನೇ 6 ಪದಗಳು. Sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 90. and fourth term equal to is 3 more than sum of first two terms. Yes, 6 is 6 by 2. 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d is 90. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 3, 1s are 3, 30s are 2a plus 5d is equal to 30. So this is equation 1. Yes, directly ನಿಮಗೆ equation 1 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. Similarly ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Yes, a4 is a plus 3d, 3 plus a is a2 is a plus 1d. This a left side ಕೂಡ cancel ಆಯ್ತು. 3d is equal to 3d minus d is equal to 3 plus a. 2d, this one I'll take minus 3 equal to a. So ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ 3 minus 1 is 2d minus 3 equal to a. Substitute a is equal to a in equation 1. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 2a plus 5d is equal to 32a. A is 2d minus 3 plus 5d is equal to 30. 4d minus 6 plus 5d is equal to 30. This one will go here. 5 plus 4 is 9d is equal to 30. 9 ones are 36. So 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. Why? Because 30, this 6 will go here, will become 30. D is 4. If D is 4 from this, a is equal to 2d minus 3. A is equal to 2 into 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. ये नಮಗೆ 5 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ find AP and write the next term ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So AP ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Therefore AP is first term of the progression. First is 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 4 17. This is the answer. So write the AP 5 9 13 17. So name same banta. So if you are from India, yes dear, yes Rohan Kirtana, you got the answer. Next one nodri, the seventh term of an AP is the only pada. Seventh term of an AP is 4 times second term. See, seventh term of an AP is 4 times second term, and 12th term is 2 more than twice 4th term. Yes, so how will you do this? A7 is a plus 6d, 4 into a plus 1d. So 4a plus 4d, a plus 6d. Take a 6d minus 4d, 4a minus a, 2d is equal to 3a. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. Then a plus 11d, 2 plus 3. Here it is a plus 3d. A plus 11d is equal to 2 plus 3a plus 9d. So how much it is? D will come here. 11d minus 9d is equal to 2 plus 3a minus a. 2d is equal to 2 plus 2a. We know 2d. 2d is 3a. 3a minus 2a is 2. A is equal to 2a 2 by 2. D is equal to 3 by 2. A is 2. So D is 3. So then they said what? If the progression contain 30 terms, find last 3 terms in kelidare. So 30 terms means last term is 30a plus 29d. A is 2. 29 into 3. 2 plus 89. So last term is 89. D minus 40. Minus 3. 86. Minus 3. 83. So these are the last 3 terms of AP. 89, 86 and 83. Rajeshwari got the right answer. I hope ellaru tilakatiti. This is the second main direct question. Then graphical method. So solve madra just one theory. Yes, where will the points intersect? What is the value of x and y? X is x is 1, y is 4. X is 1, y is 4. So x is 1, y is 4. So if you draw, you will get answer as what? X is 1, y is 4. So x 1 comma 4 banditu, then 4 marks you will get. Hi sir, today's exam Prashanti is telling went super. Thank you for so much for your video sir. I scored 80 out of excellent here. Very good Prashanti, very happy. All are correct. Excellent. 1 comma 4 Chetan. Chirag got 1 comma 4 excellent here. Then last number nade ಕೊನೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕಡೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ಹಂಗೋ ಹಿಂಗೋ ಈಗ ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಹಂಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ 38th ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಏನಿದು ಫೈನಲಿ 38th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ಇದು ಜನತಾವಾದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಐತಿ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು solve. Okay, see a solid is shape in the shape of cylinder. One solid it is in the shape of cylinder with cone attached at one end of hemisphere as shown. All solids are of same radius. So radius LR is taking 7. Total height is 61 and height of cylinder is 30. adu kottibitidare. Calculate the calculate the cost of painting the outer surface area of the solid. Also find volume. So ಈಗ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದು? ಸೊ height of cone ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೂರದ್ದು ಬರೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಐತಿ, ಕೋನ್ ಐತಿ, ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಐತಿ. ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ is 7 and height of cylinder is 30. Similarly cone radius of cone is 7 and height of cone, see height of cone is 61 total. This 7 minus 30 minus 7, if you do, you will get 24 centimeter. You will get this is 24 centimeter. You 24 ಆಯ್ತು. Then L, you should find L. Either L ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ, L ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? L is what? Root of r square plus h square. So root of r is 7, h is 24. So 49 plus 576, it is 625. So it is 25. So ನಮಗೆ L ಬಂತು 25 centimeter. ನಮಗೆ L 25 ಬಂತು and this h 24 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. Then hemisphere r is 7. Now you should find what? Area, total surface area. Total surface area hang ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? So it is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cylinder. So tell me what is the CSA of cylinder? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಹೇಳಿ? 2 pi RH. So CSA of cylinder ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? It is 2 pi RH. So the 2 pi RH. CSA of cone is pi RL. It is 2 pi R square. 2 pi R square. Then what is common in these two? Yes, 217. Very good. Samar got the right answer. Volume also you got right. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi ಮತ್ತು r ಏನೈತಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಐತಿ. If I take pi r common, 2h plus L plus 2r. Pi is 22 by 7. R ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 7. H, this is H of cylinder. It is 30. L 25 to R of what? 7 only. So 7 get cancelled. 22. It is 60 plus 25 plus 14. So 22 into 60. So you will get 60 plus 25, 60. So 85 plus 14 is 99. You will get 2178 centimeter square is the DSA. Then they said rupees 10 per 100 centimeter square. Therefore cost ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? rupees 10. So 2178 into rupees 10 per 100 centimeter square, that is the rupees. So 0 get cancelled. 217.8 rupees. That is the total answer. Then also find the volume of this solid. I hope volume of solid, to total volume is what? Total volume TV is all the three volume. So I'll do here. So total volume is volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Then volume of cone. Yes, volume of first volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So what is common? Pi r square, pi r square, pi r square is common. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು 1 by 3h. ಇಲ್ಲಿ h ಉಳಿತು. It is 2 by 3 r. Pi is 22 by 7. Yes, pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 into 7. Height. This is height of cone. Height of cone is 24. Height of cylinder. Cylinder height is 30. 2 by 3. Height is 7. This is cylinder. For cylinder, let's see by 3 ones are 3 8s are 24. 7 7 get cancelled. 154 bantu. Then 8 plus 30 plus 14 by 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ 154 38 3 ones are 3 7 sorry 3 4s are 12 6666 4.66666 you will get. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು. So 154 into 42.6666 you will get. If you multiply 6570.7818 centimeter cube is the total volume. 65 yes, that is the total answer you will get. Okay, so I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿತು. ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. Sir, say me how to study maths. I didn't solve. Sir, why you tell yesterday what I have told Vinayak Kolikar ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದಾವ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 6570.78 very good. Yes, most of summer got the right answer. Very good summer. Big fan of you. Yes dear, thank you so much. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ನಾ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಬ್ಲಿಶ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ನಡೆ ಕೊನೆಯ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯ ಕಡೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಸಿ ಅ ವೆಸಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕೋನ್. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೋನ್ ಐತಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ 8 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Height of cone is 8 and radius is 5 centimeter. The vessel is filled up to the brim. Andre water ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ. When 100 leads, total leads are 100 of same size dropped into it. 1/4 of water from the vessel flows out. Find the radius and volume of each lead shot. So you should find the radius of the lead shot. So first ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, first ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕೋನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ n. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ 8 and radius of cone is 5 centimeter. You know that number of spheres. Okay, you know that this one, if I just write it properly, number of volume of sphere is 1/4 water ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ according to Archimedes principle. Number of cone are n ಎಷ್ಟ್ number of leads are 100. Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, now pi ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು. 3 cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So you will left out with what? 400 4 into 100 400 r cube r square h. So this r is different. This is r of cone. So normally this is r of sphere. I write sp here. So 1/4 r of cone ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is 5 into 5 and h they have given it as 8. So 4 ones are 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50. 400 r cube. This is volume of sphere. So r cube is equal to 50 by 400. 0 0 5 1s are 5 8s are. So yes, one theory do r cube is equal to 1 upon 8. So r is equal to 1 by 8 the cube root. So 1 upon 2 1 why? Because 1 upon 2 is 0.5 centimeter. Okay, so it is 0.5 centimeter is the radius 1 So this cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ cube root ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸರ್ I got only today 64 out of 80. ಹೆದರ್ ಬೇಡ ಡಿಯರ್, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 75 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then volume of sphere ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನಮ್ಮ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು volume of sphere is what 4 by 3 pi r cube. Each lead shot, that means volume of sphere means volume of each lead shot. So 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, sorry, half into half into half, half into half into half. 2 2s are 4, cancel I 2 1s are 2, 11s are 11 by 21 centimeter cube. So nearly you divide by 0.523 centimeter cube. So this is the final answer you will get. Radius is 0.5 and volume is 11 by 21 per full mark or 0.523 centimeter cube. Cylindrical. I hope ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೇಬಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಅಂದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಂತ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೈಟ್ ನಾವ್. ಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನೈತಿ ಓದ್ಕೋರಿ. ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ 14 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಪಪ್ಪು ಗಾಟ್ 40. ಏನ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಓದಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಿ. ಪಪ್ಪು ಫುರಿ ಫಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕೈತಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕುಂತ ಓದಿದ್ರನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಲೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿ. ಗಣೇಶ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೆಂಗೇರಿ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಎಸ್ ದೇ ಲವ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಲವ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಲವ್, ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ